$2 and another $2 and another one and another one and another one. Now I have $1,000. Imagine this being all of the notifications you're going to be receiving as soon as you start with today's method. Imagine all of your wants finally within reach. A brand new car, a brand new house, a brand new phone, a brand new computer, more pets, more food, shopping, travel, everything. All this with just one click of a button. So check this out. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. You can earn $2 by clicking one button and watching a video that you would normally watch. But what if you can actually repeat this one step and earn as much as you're clicking? Wouldn't that be awesome? Your income with today's method is going to be incredible, and even you will have a hard time believing it. Just make sure you have a computer or a smartphone to begin with, and of course a stable internet connection, and you're all set to start making some big bucks. It's free, it's worldwide available, so let's jump straight into it. First website we want to show you, okay, is how to get money online, which is what's going to do this for you, is FeaturePoints. And you can get this software for completely free from the Google Store or the App Store. It's available in the whole world, and all you have to do is look at this website, and it's been here since 2012. Now you can earn money by entering contests, taking surveys, watching videos, or even getting cash back. However, in today's video, we are going to be focusing on watching videos because that's the easiest way and the highest paying one on this website. If you want to sign up, all you have to do is enter your email address below, click on sign up. You may do this on your phone, your computer, your tablet, and if you pay attention carefully, we're going to log into our account, and then we're going to show you exactly how we're going to be doing it before we actually go ahead and try it out for yourself. So I'm still making money every day using this method, okay? And all I have to do is play the video in the background. I do it on my computer, I do it on my phone, and then in the background, I just let it play as much as I want, as much as I can. I don't even have to touch it. I don't even have to check on it. Literally just let it run in the background and earn money passively. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of points, and now I'm going to show you how I can cash out money using these points. For example, I'll select cash right here. Then you're going to see PayPal. Simply click on any amount you want, and then double check your email address because you need to make sure that it's correct with your PayPal account. Once you've made a withdrawal, I'm going to buy the reward. Click here and then confirm my password before clicking submit, and you only have to wait for a few seconds, and then the reward has been processed and it's going to be delivered to your PayPal account right away, and then you can withdraw your money. It's very simple to do. You're going to go to the offers section, click on offers. You're going to notice a number of companies that you've heard of. For example, a well-known company that allows you to watch videos while earning money. As you can see, you can get $5 every time you reach 1,000 points. So let's say that there's a bonus method. Okay, I'm going to tell you that there's a bonus method that you're going to be able to use. If you have like a lot of desktops or mobile devices, you're going to use all of them to open multiple browsers, and you're going to watch multiple videos at the same time, all at once. And now normally we use Google Chrome and open 3 to 4 tabs. Then we're going to leave the video running in the background while I do other things because that video is still playing and I can earn money passively. And it's the best approach. It's literally completely passive in the sense that I don't have to do any work myself, and I won't even need any skill or expertise or whatever. But if you stick with me until the finish, I am actually going to show you a few more websites and programs. When all of this combined, you can make like 10 times more than what you would make with one. So now let's get into the second website. But before that, if you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you are not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. Now, AppNana is the name of the second app. You may download it on your iOS or your Android, and then as soon as you've done that, you can actually do so many things on here, like play games, surveys, watch videos. And the point system of Nana is that they're using can basically turn those Nana points. It's called Nana points, and basically you can turn those Nana points into real cash. And as you can see, you earn Nana, which you can then convert and cash out through PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfer, crypto, Bitcoin, and a variety of a lot of other methods. So you can also earn money by participating in the referral program. So that's another way. You can click on this link, have it sent to a lot of people, and then they're going to sign up using your link, and you're going to be making money just by doing that. And then that's just like another way to earn additional source of income, right? While you watch videos, you can join in the referral. Now let's move on to the third website. And so AppNana is great, but let's move on to the third website, which is called MyPoints, which we love because they actually offer a 10-point welcome bonus. And who doesn't love the fact that as soon as you sign up, there's like a bonus? And 10 points, really, that's huge. It's like $10. All you have to do is enter in your email address, your password. You're gonna click on the join now button, and then after that, there's your 10-point bonus. It's literally so easy, and there's a lot of ways to earn on this app, like watching videos. And we're gonna show you app number 4 as well, which is app trailers. And this app has been quite popular for a lot of years. They always upgrade and always release new versions. And if you're reading this right now, you should be pleased to know that since they've just published a new update, it's gonna allow you to view videos while earning money. So this is what we want. So it's fresh, it's brand new, not a lot of people know about this yet, so there's not much competition, which means better paying opportunities for you. It's a great chance because the older version didn't really offer that. Now I recommend that you view at least 3 to 5 videos at the same time, so you can make a lot of money in like a shorter span of time. And then you're going to take a look at this rating or this review, which is a fantastic grade considering that a lot of apps only get like 2-3 stars, and this one gets more than that. So there's been a lot of great feedback from the users. Now we're going to move into the final app, which is our 5th app, which is Creation Rewards, which offers a $5 sign-up bonus. Once again, bonus, love it. By simply watching videos on these apps, you can earn free gift cards and cash. But one thing that we'd like to emphasize is that it's been around since 2000, which is long, okay? It's been 22 years. They've been paying their users for 22 years. You can perform so many things here, including paid surveys, watching videos, visiting websites, shopping online, completing offers, and referring friends and family. Now, I personally spend most of my time watching videos and earning from that. And sometimes, visiting websites, they're all very easy, even if you have no experience, no skills. But one thing that I really want to warn you about is please do not attempt to do the paid surveys thing. It's a complete waste of your time, and I'm already telling you that right now because you're just going to be wasting your sweet, precious time. I've tried it myself before, and it worked really bad for me. So I suggest you either stick to watching videos, since that is our focus, or visiting websites if you want to try something else. But just don't do the paid surveys because it's honestly not worth it, okay? So just do the ones that, have more chances of earning you money. So that's basically it, okay? In one single app, that's how you can make so much money. Now, there are always, daily bonuses per app that we just showed you. So make sure that you go check every single account you have with each of these apps, like every, week or so, and you can get daily services or daily bonuses. And that's already a bonus and additional income to the normal income that you're already earning passively. So the only way you're going to be earning the way that we promised you is actually by doing all of the apps together. So make sure that you watch everything, because if you didn't watch today's video, you're probably not going to get the results that you want. And make sure you try all the apps together, because again, the results that you want will not pop up. So make sure you leave a comment down below on what you loved about today's video the most, and if you have any suggestions or recommendations, we will read through them and try to respond because we appreciate them a lot. So that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.